We're here. We're back. We're ready to kill some supercars.
Even though I get mad, go up, still out on the block with them niggas in them gloves. Even though I get mad, go up, still out on the block with them niggas in them gloves. Even though I get mad, go up, still out on the block with them niggas in them gloves. Tell the judge that you can't stop clocks, that pussy they can just lock. Or let me share this. Hard times found mice in my shared crib. Whilst fucking up the scene, I'm a rare kid. Real life rap, I don't tell fibs. My nigga seen a milli, still south sniff. And if you want beef, better forfeit. Cause these days we walk with the 4/5. And the 4/5 will make you really walk stiff. Made my label quick, made a major flick. Now the clothes on my back, yeah, the tailor made to fit. Got Cali in my split. No whips, no more, just bites and sticks. It's the life that I live. Check the price on my...
Right now, Elliot, we are, tell them, John, where we are.
Tegnall's Country Park in Macclesfield, Cheshire.
That's where we are.
Even though I get mad, go up, still out on the block with them niggas in them gloves. Even though I get mad, go up, still out on the block with them niggas in them gloves. Even though I get mad, go up, still out on the block with them niggas in them gloves. Tell the judge that you can't stop clocks, that pussy they can just lock. Last year I was pissed off.
My bro miss, why's that?
They try stop my wings like I'm Rick Ross. No wing stop. Long walks in the rain to the chip shop. Yeah, nearly give up. Now any chick we pick, we get on. Late night meet with the G's, get your bricks up. Big bros got the trees and the ting top. If we catch you late night, that's bad luck, mad stuff.
It's real mad, real mad.
Picture being famous, being banged up. Picture looking broke and you stacked up. These rats get a fuckboy wrapped up, mad stuff.
It's real mad, real mad.
Picture being famous, being banged up. Picture looking broke and you wrapped up. These rats get a fuckboy wrapped up. Even though I get mad, go up, still out on the block with them niggas in them gloves. Even though I get mad, go up, still out on the block with them niggas in them gloves.